Hey guys, just want to talk to you guys about my most painful Forex loss. Yes, my most painful Forex loss ever. What's up guys? It's another video brought to you by Mathew here on this favorite Forex channel of yours guys. Thank you guys for your continued support, and I know you guys who have come back onto this video probably have watched some of my other videos, and I really thank you, and I really am grateful for you guys who are continuing to support the channel. So my most painful Forex trading loss. Yes guys, you heard that right. My most painful Forex trading loss. Now, how did this come about? Let me tell you guys a story. When I just started trading Forex, I was looking up to many Forex traders on YouTube. It's not that nowadays I don't look up to anybody. I still do have great respect for these traders, guys. But one particular trader was one of my favorite traders, and that is Kojo Forex. Guys, tag Kojo Forex in this video, guys. Share this video to Kojo and let him know that he was actually one of the people that I looked up to so much when I just started trading Forex. So I was watching Kojo's videos. Like every other video that Kojo would produce, I would watch it, and I would really dive right into his content. Okay, I followed Kojo for every video that he uploaded. I was there watching it. Okay, I think I was one of the first people who were watching Kojo's videos all of the time. Not only Kojo, I was also watching Ref Wayne, I was watching Jeffrey Benson, I was watching who else? Jason No, I was watching Habi Forex, and not only in Africa, I was also watching Sean Lee and Aman Nat of Astro FX by then. This was one of the biggest duo in Forex by that time. Yeah, and I was also watching Jeremy Cash CEO from the US, and I was watching also this brother who made a song Pips Pay My Bills, J Tech Profits. Yeah, J Tech Profit. I was watching all of those guys, or following their channels as a beginner. I was looking for inspiration, looking for strategies, looking for ways to trade profitably. Yeah, and there was this one particular time I watched a video of one of the traders I've mentioned, and he said you just need one big winner, one big trade. You need one big trade to change your life. Wow, I was inspired, guys. One big trade to change your life. I was really inspired. And so what happened was, at that time I was still working. I was still doing a 9 to 5 at my former workplace, and yeah, I'd saved up some little money which I was anticipating to like invest into my Forex journey. And so what happened was, I'd saved up about $1,500 US. So I say to myself, since one big trade can change my life, and I am having NFP coming up on Friday. It was actually on like a Tuesday when I got the thought after watching the video. So I got $250 US. I remember that well. I got $250 US off of that saving, deposited it on a new account, which I had created, of course, by, at that time I'd created it with FX Pro Broker. Link is in the description if you want to use FX Pro. Very good broker. Actually, it's the first broker I used, and I still use them up to now. I deposited $250 US with FX Pro. So I was just having that money on there, waiting for Friday's NFP for me to be able to change my life entirely. Okay, so what happened was, that Friday came. Very excited. I went to work. Then I had my colleagues go out for lunch, because for me I wanted to go for lunch and trade during my lunch time, because in my country here in Uganda, people go for lunch like at 1 p.m. from half past midday to like 2 p.m. 3 p.m. So for me, I wanted to go for lunch last. I go for lunch at 3 p.m. so that at 3:30 p.m., that's when the NFP news is released in Uganda at 3:30 p.m. I wanted to be there to trade. So what happened was, I'd done my analysis at home and I wanted to take trades on gold. That was gold. I was looking at gold for NFP. So I had my bias because at that time I had looked at many strategies and all that. So I'd marked up my charts and I had a bullish bias on gold. Okay, I wanted to buy gold because I saw gold was producing an uptrend. It had made a double bottom, so I was looking at it going up during the news. So I was having lunch at that time when the news was coming out in about 3-4 minutes. So I quickly concluded my lunch. After I concluded my lunch, I sat there and just waited for the timer as it ticked. So what I did was this. Because I'd looked at many strategies from traders that have been inspiring me. So what I did was I waited for the news to reach like maybe 1 or 2 minutes to news release. That's when I went to my MT4. By that time I was trading on MT4. I wasn't trading on MT5 at that time. I was just looking at concentrating on MT4. So opened up my MT4, went onto the account, had my internet stable, had enough data. So what happened was this. I was on investing.com, switching tabs between investing.com and MT4. Investing.com, MT4. So on investing.com, it was showing 1 minute to go. Guys, you don't know what happened. What happened was this. When the news was released, the United States non-farm payrolls added in more jobs than expected. Okay? Added in more jobs than expected. Now, when United States NFP comes out positive, usually that shows that there is it usually shows that the economy is performing well. Okay, and so that is normally bullish sign for the dollar, and sometimes the bullish sign for the dollar means that gold is going to sell off. So non-farm payrolls adds more jobs than expected. But you know what the candle did? I was on the 5-minute chart. What gold did was this. Instead of gold going against me, because my bias was bullish, okay, I was looking at gold buying. What the candle did was, at the release of the news, the 5-minute candle, it went up so fast, so fast. I had taken my trade already. On the $250, I had taken I remember I took 4 positions of a 0.1 lot size, 0.1 lot size. I took 4 positions. So it went up so fast that my $250 turned into 975-ish US in a matter of seconds. Boy, did my heart race. Boy, was my smile so wide. Boy, was I so happy. Not realizing that the market is going to whipsaw. So, what happened was this, guys. While I was rejoicing and being happy, I'd switched the tab to investing.com. I was still looking at because there was some other news that had been released, okay? I was still looking at the results while rejoicing, thinking that the candle is going to continue. By the time, it was, I think, like after 1 minute, when I went back to the MT4, when I switched tabs back to MT4, guys, the long bullish candle had produced a wick. It had gone down beyond my entry, and I had no running trades. It was my most painful moment. I went to check the trade history. I saw my account had blown. all my 4 trades had gone, they had blown, the account had blown. I felt so much pain, guys. I felt like crying. I felt despair. I felt so bad. $250 is not the biggest amount of money I've lost in the Forex market. But that particular day is the most painful day in my Forex journey, because I saw myself in profit just seconds ago, and after a short time, I lost all of that money. It was so painful for me, so painful. And from that day, I learned that when you see profit, that's why you see on this channel, I always tell you guys, when you see profit, take that profit. Profit is profit. Don't wait for your trade to go and hit a 1 to 2 like you religiously. It is important to observe the correct risk to reward ratios, but there are times when you need to take the profit. So guys, wow, I can't believe I shared with you guys this moment. It was the most painful and is still the most painful Forex loss of my life. I thank you guys for watching, and big ups to all of the people that inspired me, Kojo, Jeffrey Benson, and the rest I've mentioned in this video. Guys, thank you guys for watching, and go and tag Kojo, tag Jeffrey Benson. Let them know they really inspired me in my beginning years of trading. Thank you guys for your support. And if you've not subscribed, do subscribe to the channel, share this video, like, and also comment down below what your greatest loss is in Forex. Let's go, guys. Let's go.